Hey, yo, Gilbert!
Yo! Yo!
What are you doing?
Hey, what's up? Yo, what are you doing?
Just chilling at home.
Bro, dude, we have a video to film, man.
Cool, what is it?
Why are you in a ditch?
This is my home, bro. This is my couch.
You must have had one hell of a night.
What's good with you?
Come on, man.
Dude, this is like dopest spot ever, dude.
Alright, man. Well, we got a video to film, so come on.
Alright.
I don't even know how in the hell you're gonna get out of there.
Oh, I'll be right there. Just give me a minute. I'll be there in a second. I'm coming.
What's going on, Vlog Life? Hope you guys enjoyed that little skit we had going on in the beginning. Don't really care if you do or don't, whatever. We got the red, the blue, the green, and the gold. And we're out in the middle of just a random place, because you know, why not? We got a big bucket of water. It's pretty warm. Actually, yeah, it's still warm. We're gonna try like a Versace box. We're gonna try a lampshade. We got all this different stuff. We've never even done this. We've seen a video on it, and that's about it. See if it even works. If it doesn't work, then maybe it's just a myth, right? Or maybe we got the wrong type of paint. Who knows?
I just realized you're wearing a white hoodie.
Yeah, I know. This hoodie's probably gonna turn different colors, guys. So yeah, I guess we should just get to start hydro dipping some stuff.
All right, well first.
All right, so time to get going. We're gonna try drumsticks, and we've never even done this before, so we're gonna see if this even works, and we're gonna try drumsticks. Hopefully it works. We're gonna try red and blue.
Yeah, but I still might want to bring it closer. I just want to see what happens.
Woo! Keep going, we'll probably need more. All right. All right, guys, here is nothing. We don't really know what we're doing. Smells like paint, obviously. Ready?
Oh my. Oh, hey.
Kind of worked. Kind of. I'm really bad at this, but.
I mean, hey, it's the first attempt. That actually looked kind of cool, though. When
For our first time, yeah. I know, I think I just messed it up. So, let's try the drumstick.
Let's keep trying, see if we get better.
Yeah, let's keep doing this, guys. All right, we're gonna go green and blue. Cover your face. Give me a second. Inhaling paint fumes is dangerous.
Oh, look at that.
All right. Oh. They're right there. We're right here where the tiger stripe is. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this one? Let's do it.
How satisfying that kind of looks. Bring it over here to this open spot, so you can save the rest of this paint. See what happens. Attempt number 2.
I suck at this.
Yeah, dip it slow. So, you know. Dip it in like something like that. See what happens. See, that's kind of gross.
Yeah, actually that looks pretty cool. Look at that.
That one does.
That looks sweet.
Oh.
I'm getting a little better. We're gonna try some gold in there. Oh man.
Dang, that looks crazy.
That might be, I might do that alone. It's silver, guys. Let's try to turn it gold.
Oh, look at that. It just took all of it with it. Taping. Oh, it just came right off.
Oh, that's kind of cool, right? Not at all.
Oh. That just looks cool.
All right.
You ready?
Versace, Versace.
Oh, was it not enough? And then just lift it upward. Oh my. Wow.
Kind of worked.
It kind of worked.
It worked better on the front side than it did the back. It's working better, guys.
Can you touch
Look
it?
at that. Not really. Golden Versace box. I like wipe the Versace off.
Yes. Oh, do that. That's cool. You can literally just peel the stuff away. Ah. But either way, that's kind of cool, dude. It looks like you've done this a few times.
All right. I think I'm kind of getting the hang of it, guys. I don't know. Let's see.
Dang.
Doesn't fit.
You want me to break the sides?
Yeah.
What's the aftermath?
Oh.
Well, that's kind of whack. This gold is just, what is gold everything?
Let's try it.
Dude, that looks pretty freaking cool.
Break it with the other hand.
It's like a rat, almost. Dude, what the heck? Look at that. You can still see the whole shape of the Airpod.
Kind of a golden Airpod.
It's like, it literally just wrapped it. It's the golden nugget.
All right, guys. Go for gold. Gold everything. Try gold shoe.
Making the golden shoe. Hey.
Maybe I'm doing too much. Maybe I'm putting too much there. All right, I'm gonna try it faster, guys. Ready? Ah. Yeah. The golden toe.
Oh my god, guys. Look, the hydro dipping worked. It's actually pretty tight. Hold on. Let me move the laces. Oh, hey, that actually looks kind of cool. Just let it dry. Yep, that's perfect. Kinda nasty.
That's pretty cool, I guess. Red toe, gold shoe.
Yeah, that was hydro dip too, as you can tell. It's freaking awesome.
I thought this video was gonna work out a little bit better, but it's still working out somewhat. I hope you're enjoying it.
If you're not, let us know in the comments. If you are, also let us know in the comments. That's actually a really nice blue. Oh, hey.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. We're getting better, getting better. Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth now.
No.
It kind of worked.
No, do they fit back in the case? Success.
Look at that, guys.
See? You can still open it. You can still close it.
That looks pretty cool, actually. Yeah, so I just got to sit here and listen to that guy float. I heard he has a pretty nice flow.
It's like a revolution. No better the weather, I end the endeavors and find a resolution.
Airpods now for sale. Buy them. $300,000 each. They're probably painting my ear now.
Oh my dude. Nah, it's just a mini you still singing.
So we're gonna try to do a golden hard hat. So when we do challenges, the best person will get either the shoe, the hard hat. All right, guys, let's do this.
Flip her up.
Maybe that was the problem. We weren't flipping it.
Oh my.
Hey, that actually worked.
Look at that.
That's actually cool.
Hey, there you go.
What's up, guys? What's up?
You like his hat? Yeah, man, I think it's so cool, bro. It's a cool hat.
What's up?
That one actually worked.
Hey.
Get this shoe.
Huh?
Redip the shoe.
No.
Well, I was pointing. Yeah, there's the shoe. Yeah, I was pointing wrong.
Bottom of the Versace box.
I mean, it matches the top if you think about it.
That's cool. That's pretty cool. So that's how we do it. That's how you do it. That's how you hydro dip, bro.
The golden finger.
It works as well on this type of material, but
it just pulled right off. Nice. It looked cool though in the water.
So guys, check out all the stuff we got hydro dipped. Some of it worked, some of it didn't. As you see, we got the hat. Kind of worked. Looks pretty cool. That basically worked. That did not work. This hat kind of worked.
The hat looks pretty cool. I think the hat looks cool.
It looks kind of cool.
The cylinder, as weird as it didn't work, it still gave it like an ocean gold type texture, you know what I'm saying?
Pretty cool, pretty cool. Lampshade, kind of.
Gave it a style of some sort.
The Versace box worked probably the best. Oh yeah, guys, so let us know in the comments if you liked it, or if you didn't like it. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next. If you want to see us do this again, let us know what you want to see us hydro dip, and we'll try it. We'll try to get better next time. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe right now. Look out for a lot of videos, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. next time.